Hurricane Helene help is still needed as families rebuild their lives. News Channel 11's Sarah Diamond talked with members of a group who are helping with recovery. They call themselves the Nobodies. They do work and get supplies to those who need it without public recognition. They invite others to join, saying anybody can be a nobody.
It started as a small group of people joining together to get supplies to people who needed it soon after Helene hit the region. Often, they were asked to which group they belonged.
We would call places and try to get into places and get needs met. They would ask who we were with, because most people are a group. Yeah. And we'd always say, nobody.
The Nobodies was born. Amber Kitchens and Lindsay Wilder Newland started collecting items for those who were stuck and could finally get word to rescuers.
At first, we were running off of the wish list of things that were coming to us, or we would just put the word out on social media. We're looking for XYZ, and people would just show up at my house and just leave stuff in the driveway. It was really amazing.
Kitchens says there was no hesitation for them to jump in and help.
We saw a need and we could help. It's like anything we needed, God placed in our path immediately, so we couldn't not do it. So we saw a need. It's just to pay it forward.
Both women say they are committed to helping for the long haul.
But I do believe a lot of that comes from everyone working so well together and realizing that the end goal isn't for any of us to be glorified, it's for people to be made whole and for their lives to become stable again. And it doesn't matter how we get there or who does it or who's the one standing there when they cross the finish line. It just matters that it gets done.
It gets done.
Not bad for a group of self-labeled nobodies, a group where everybody is somebody. For Community Heroes, I'm Sarah Diamond.
Do you know a community hero whose story should be told? If so, then we'd love to hear from you. You can nominate your hero by filling out the form over on our website, WJHL.com. You can find that under the Community tab.